Now we're going to see how to use 会, this verb in Chinese. First of all, we need to know that the main acception we're going to use in this grammar point is can. The meaning is to know how to do something. This 会 verb can be used for learned skills. Okay, so let's see an example of this. For example, I can say 我会说中文我会说中文 Here we have the verb 会 with the meaning of can do something because you have learned to do something. In this case, I can speak Chinese. Why? Because I've been studying Chinese for a long time. On page number 42, you have some examples of this 会 verb. Okay? The first one, 我会写汉字 I can write Chinese characters. Second example, 我不会做中国菜 Please pay attention here to the pronunciation of 不 In this case, is changed from fourth tone to second tone. 我不会做中国菜 I can't make Chinese food. Make or cook Chinese food, okay? This 做 verb can have this meaning, referring to the 菜, to the food. I can cook Chinese food. And the last one, 你妈妈会说汉语吗 Does your mom speak Chinese? Let's see some other examples. I can cook. 我会做饭 I can't drive. 我不会开车 Can you dance? 你会跳舞吗 I can't write Chinese characters. 我不会写汉字 I can't cook Chinese food. 我不会做中国菜 And with this, we had some examples of how to use 会, the verb to can, referring to